What's up guys, and welcome back to B for Crypto. In today's video we're going to find out, are the Illuminati buying Bitcoin, and what are the advantages and the disadvantage that BlackRock is entering the crypto space. And guys, we're also going to look at the Bitcoin chart, because on the 4-hour chart you can see that we have formed this falling wedge and that we took this trade towards the upside and we perfectly hit our price target. Guys, we're going to look at this trade and we're going to find out where's the next trade for Bitcoin. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and now let's start with the video. Welcome back to B for Crypto guys. Before we're going to go directly into the content, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and smashing up the like button. I really appreciate each one of you. And guys, if you want to support this channel, go down and subscribe to my channel. Let's reach the 200 subscribers by the end of this video. And guys, we're going to go over to the charts and we're going to look at the 1-hour chart, because here you can see this trade that we took on Bitcoin at the breakout from this falling wedge, and exactly in these areas we have opened our trade at the 24,024 US dollar, and then we took this trade all the way to the top of this falling wedge, because guys, the price target of a falling wedge is always the top of the wedge. But guys, you can see that we not perfectly hit the top. But guys, that's why we took our stop loss all the way to a region of 24,600 US dollars, and then our stop loss got hit in profit. But guys, you can see that we had a percentage gain from the entry point all the way up to the stop loss of round about 2%. So guys, on a 10x leverage, you would have had 20% profit, and that means if you have invested 100 US dollars on this trade, you have made 20 US dollars overnight. So guys, if you want to copy my trades, go down in the video description and click on the first link where you get access to my free Telegram group. And we're going to go over and we're going to find out when did I post this trade. And you can see that exactly at the breakout point I posted this trade, and even 1 hour later we were still at the entry point and we perfectly got this trade towards the upside. And guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, you can use my Phemex referral link where you receive a 4,100 US dollar deposit bonus if you use my referral link. And guys, make use of this free money, and you can also trade it over on MEXC Global where you receive a 1,000 US dollar deposit bonus. So guys, let's go back to the charts and find out what could be the next move for Bitcoin and what are the trades we could take. So guys, at the moment you can see that Bitcoin got a rejection in these areas where we saw a lot of movement before, and you can see that we had a rejection here before and we went all the way down to the 61.8 and we saw this perfect bounce and this breakout from this falling wedge. So guys, what could we expect? Are we going to see that the price of Bitcoin comes all the way down to these levels? Yes, I expect that the price will come down over the weekend until we are going to see the next move up. But guys, we could consider that we are maybe forming a W pattern in these regions. So this means we could see a dump all the way down again to the 24,000 US dollar level until we are going to see the next move up. Because guys, over the weekend we do not have so much liquidity in the markets, and that's why we could expect this move. But guys, we could also see the possibility that we're going to break this trend line towards the upside and that we are finding support at the support box at the moment. So guys, let me just remove all these drawings to get a clear view. We have this scenario that we are going to break out from these regions and find support on this bigger trend line and then consolidate in these areas, or we are going to see that we are going to form a higher low and that we are going to form this W pattern and break out towards the upside. And this could be a perfect trade for us if we're going to break these levels, if we saw this rejection towards the downside and then this pump towards the upside. And guys, we could expect levels of 28,000 US dollar for Bitcoin. And guys, we're going to go over on the daily chart and we're going to find out why we could see this move towards the upside. Because guys, at the moment we are at the 100 moving average on the daily chart. And guys, this is also why we saw this rejection at the moment and why Bitcoin is having some problems to break through this resistance area. But guys, if we're going to break these areas towards the upside, I could expect a fast move all the way up to a level of 28,000 US dollar very easy. And why? Because here we have this price movement that went all the way from the support and we broke this area towards the downside, and you can see that here in these areas we had this fast move towards the downside. So guys, we could expect, if we're going to break this level towards the upside, that we are also going to see a fast move towards the upside. But guys, if we're going to reach this level, I could expect that we're going to see a big retracement from these levels, because at the moment the people are taking profits if the price reaches the next higher level. So guys, this means that a lot of people will take profits here, and we could expect that the price comes all the way down to a level of 25,000 US dollar. Are we going to see that Bitcoin will go even higher and reach the 30,000 US dollar level, where we also see here's a lot of resistance in these areas? So we could expect that the price of Bitcoin will consolidate in these areas. But guys, we also have the scenario that we could come all the way down to these levels, and why I think that a lot of people are waiting to enter the markets in these areas, we are going to find out exactly now, because the Illuminati are entering the crypto space. And guys, yes, BlackRock is entering the crypto space, but guys, we're going to find out how big is BlackRock. And what are the advantages that they are entering the crypto market? And what are the disadvantages? We're going to find out that exactly now, guys. So guys, first of all, we're going over to this article. We're going to read through this article to find out even more. Breaking: after Coinbase deal, BlackRock launches Bitcoin private trust. After recently announcing a partnership with Coinbase, BlackRock has now launched a spot Bitcoin private trust. This development, coming from the world's largest asset manager, could be a massive encouraging step for the crypto community. BlackRock is committed to providing clients with access to their choice of investment opportunities, it said on Thursday. So guys, we're going to first find out what are they saying about Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, and then we're going to find out how big is actually BlackRock. So guys, in a statement, BlackRock described Bitcoin as the oldest, largest and most liquid crypto asset. Bitcoin is currently the primary subject of interest from our clients within the crypto asset space, it added. So guys, it is very clear that BlackRock is one of the biggest investment companies in the world. So guys, and here we can see, meanwhile, crypto analysts believe BlackRock Bitcoin participation could burst the Bitcoin price to a range of 770,000 US dollars. The partnership can boost Bitcoin's market cap by $1 trillion at the very least, predicted by Investment Answers. Also, Bitcoin is showing a great jump in price and a social sentiment following the news of BlackRock Bitcoin private trust launch. So guys, overall this is quite bullish for the whole crypto space. But guys, if a big company like BlackRock announces that they are buying Bitcoin and they are opening this Bitcoin trust, do you think they have already bought Bitcoin, or are they planning to buy Bitcoin? I think they already bought Bitcoin, and with this news they are bringing the price of Bitcoin even higher, and then they are going to sell in profit until they are going to dump the price then again, and they are going to really load up at a level of 20,000 to 17,000 if we're going to come all the way down to this low that we had. So guys, I could expect that this is a major move for them. They have already invested in Bitcoin and now they're bringing out the news, and that will drive the price of Bitcoin even higher through this bullish news. And guys, they will really load up if we're going to see a correction yet again, if we're going to test the lows of Bitcoin. And guys, let's go over to a next article to really find out how big is BlackRock. And guys, if we Google BlackRock, we can see the company that owns the world. And here we can see BlackRock oversees $1 trillion, making it the largest money manager in the world. So guys, we could expect that the Illuminati and the elite of the world are behind BlackRock and Vanguard and all of these big asset managers. And guys, they're really trying to manage the Bitcoin price to their advantage. So guys, we're going to go on the weekly chart to really find out what is behind this news. Are they buying at this point at the moment? No guys, I think that they have bought in these regions exactly here at the bottom, and that they are in profit at the moment. And they exactly know if they bring out these news that the price of Bitcoin will go towards the upside. So guys, now we have this scenario that they could sell some of their holdings in these areas to bring the price even lower, and then they will accumulate in these regions again and really getting into the markets. And guys, we could see a major push towards upside, because first of all, these are very good news for the crypto industry. But guys, you always have to read between the lines, and that's why it's really clear for me that they have already bought Bitcoin and they are planning to buy again in the downwards market. So guys, maybe we could see this push up to a level of 30,000 US dollars until we then going to see a rejection in these areas and come all the way down to the previous all-time high, or also even lower, and that they are really going to accumulate in these areas. That's why it's for us very important to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and make more Bitcoin, guys. Because at the moment we are at the best situation to enter these markets to really make a life-changing wealth. So guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin on the spot market to hold it long term, go down in the video description and make use of my referral links where you receive a major bonus by just signing up. So guys, let's go over to the 4-hour chart and let's see what is the next potential trade that we can take and we can profit from in these markets. So guys, at the moment we can see that we are holding this line perfectly. At the moment I would still wait until we're going to see a clear move either towards the downside, so that we could expect that we are going to form a higher low and that we could enter in these areas, or we are going to see that we are going to find some rejection in this area and we could even trade this movement all the way towards the downside. But at the moment we are in the middle of this price movement and I would just wait until we're going to see the next breakout. So guys, if you always want to stay updated, go down in the video description, the first link, there you get access to my free Telegram group. So guys, I will keep you up to date. If something happens in the markets, you will receive these updates live and direct in my Telegram group. So guys, if you like this content, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe and support me on my journey. And keep in mind, you have to own Bitcoin and you have to be for crypto.